assembly. Would you like to know what parts are in a high quality Android car radio and how to make it? I'll take you to see. Let's go. And this is our workshop. Now I'll take you to see. We have 5 production workshops. The workshop we see now has 6 production lines, mainly producing 9-inch and 10-inch car radio screens. For example, the familiar MEKEDE MS series and M6 series are all assembled here. What I hold in my hand is a 2K screen. It is the most original appearance of the car radio screen. Step 1, we will check whether the glass is broken and whether the wiring is damaged in the screen room, and then stick a protective sheet on the screen. This is what it looks like after the protective sheet is pasted. Now we will take it over for the next step of assembly. This is an assembled M6 Pro Plus screen. In the next process, it will be assembled with the back shell to form a complete car radio. Can you see how many inches it is? Let's see how the back shell is assembled. Many customers often have questions. Why is M6 Pro more expensive than other machines? That's right, the main reason is the difference of the hardware. There must be a big difference between a product that can be used for half a year and a product that can be used stably for 5 years, such as chip, CPU, radio chip, power amplifier chip, 360 chip, Bluetooth chip, core board. These are the key factors that determine the cost and quality. This is the back shell of the host. Its material is also aluminum alloy. Now the cooling chip and cooling fan have been installed on it. We only need to install the main board on it. Now what I hold in my hand is the assembled screen and the assembled back shell. We will assemble it together to form a completely Android car radio. Okay, this M6 Pro Plus has been assembled successfully. Now we need to upgrade the system, function test, agent test, quality inspection and packaging. Okay, see you in the next video.